Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital inspection here for a homeowner located in Carlsbad, referred by one of our good friends. And we're just looking at a roof here and a potential re-roof. First thing we like to do is start at the eaves of the house. We can see the fascia right there. We can actually see the original shadow board, and we can see the drip edge actually separated from the shadow board. I can already tell what's going on here. Looks like the re-roofing project that we had done in the past was an overlay, and I can tell that because we can see the different colors in shingle. We can see the reddish terracotta color right there, and we can also see the gray color that was put on top. Now the drip edge is actually separated from the shadow board right here. Interesting, this is what happens. We don't recommend overlays just because we can't get down with the wood decking, and that's the biggest part of a roofing project, because the wood over a 50-year period is definitely going to sustain some wood rot and termites. So any damaged wood, any damaged fascia, shadow board, starter board underneath, or rafters that we can see will be replaced, and we will also take off both layers here and get it down to the plywood decking. Interesting, here we have a rather flat section. It's about a 1 in 12 that goes from here to here, and this is the section that we'll actually recommend TPO material. So it's going to be a flat roofing material, vinyl polymer material, and that will go on this section. It's made for low sloped roofs or flat roofs, and this was looks like it was improperly done, and they are sustaining some leaks in the front area, because the water can't shed as quickly as we would like. So we need a low sloping roofing material on there. Shingle is an architectural asphalt shingle. First thing I noticed is that we're lacking ventilation. So we have ventilation on the sides of the roof, one T-top over there, but we're lacking actual ventilation. That should be right here in the middle of the roof over here. We have an exhaust vent for the attic right here, but with the size of this roof and being the gable style that it does need, we're going to add ventilation to it for the homeowner, so that way we can make sure this roof breathes better in the future. Not a lot to point out, but sensitive areas that we do see are always around chimneys, because we get a lot of water buildup around them. You can see the amount of granules right here that build up over the years as it actually sheds off the shingles and comes all the way down here. Recommendation on this roof is that we need to get it down to the actual plywood. Building code says that you can only have 2 layers of roof on your roof due to weight. So we will recommend a full tear off and a flat roofing section right there, and then an architectural asphalt shingle for the rest. Thank you. Bye.